Okay, let's listen to it.
Nach Bessarabie, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Spazieren fliegt man dort mein Jester.
Oh, what happened?
Fröhlich ist gewesen überall. Joptef ist dort gewesen die Gräster. Als man fliegt essen Brot mit Katschkewaloi. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, oi, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen, hab ich ständig nur gesehen. Heim, du Teier, du mein. London, New York haben nicht ein Gein. Paris ist bei dir ein Dorf und Schein. Die bist die, wenn Herz in mir rein. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Spazieren bringt man dort mein Jester. Fröhlich ist gewesen überall. Joptef ist dort gewesen die Gräster. Als man fliegt essen Brot mit Katschkewaloi. Gewesen überall. Ein Junge ist dort gewesen die Reste. Als man fliegt essen Brot mit Katschkewaloi. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, mein schöne Heim will dich gewollt noch sein. Ich denk nach Bessarabie, oi, es ist schon nicht mehr, was es ist gewollt.
Okay, so let's start with the English. Andrew, can you read it, please, slowly?
We've heard a number of nostalgic songs like Vilna, Vilna, Der Kolomeyer Batkin, Mein Stettel Bells, and the mock nostalgic Rumenie, Rumenie. Bessarabia was at various times part of Old Moldavia, the Ottoman Empire, Romania, Russia, and the USSR. One part of it is now in the Republic of Moldavia, the other part is in Ukraine. Jews lived there since the 16th century. The census of 1897 showed the Jewish population to be 228,620. The Nazis and their collaborators murdered the vast majority. By 1942, only about 200 Jews were left. The song Belz mein Städtele Belz refers to the Bessarabian town Balti. Boris Sandler, the Yiddish scholar and former editor of the Forwards, was born there.
Okay, thank you. Janet, will you continue, please?
Leo Fuld was born in Rotterdam in 1912 to a working class family. He performed in several languages and trained to be a chazan, but also sang in bars and cafes from an early age. At age 19, he signed a contract with the Jack Hilton Band, which performed throughout the United Kingdom and Europe. When the Nazis occupied the Netherlands, he sent shortwave broadcasts back to his country. He stopped singing when he learned that his entire family had been murdered. He settled in the US after the war and resumed singing and touring worldwide. He died in 1997 in Amsterdam.
Okay, thank you. Bob, will you start reading?
You called me?
Yes, yes,
Ah,
Bob.
okay.
There is no other Bob, no?
Got it.
Okay.
In Bank noch Bessarabia, weil dort is meer gewen gut. In Bank noch Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim vergessen kann in ich nicht.
Okay.
So I long for Bessarabia because it was good for me there. I long for Bessarabia. I cannot forget my beautiful home.
Okay, okay.
Spazieren, no?
Yes, yes, go on. Yes.
Spazieren gehen man dort bei the niche there. Freilich is gewen überall. A Yom Tov dort is gewen der Gereste. Wenn man fragt Essen, Brot mit Kaskaval. People strolled there by the Dienster. Everyone was happy. A holiday there was the greatest, the best. When one used to eat bread and Kaskaval. What is that?
It's a dry cheese. It's a kind of dry cheese. Here, you see the picture? You can see it at the picture.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, that's a kind of dry cheese. And it's used sometimes, the Romanian are grating it over mamalige.
Wow.
My Romanian is doing it. So
Looks good. Looks like it's, is it spicy? Does it have?
Not exactly spicy. It's between, it's not sweet. Let's say it's not sweet. It's kind of more of a.
Looks like Parmesan.
Yeah, something like this. Yeah. But more, salzig, more salty.
Salty.
More salty. So
My
that's
kind
yeah.
of cheese.
Yeah. Okay, Elaine, yes.
Yeah, I just wanted the definition of Iberal.
Everyone.
Where?
Second line,
It just means everyone.
Freilich is gewen Iberal. I thought that
Everywhere.
that means everyone. I thought it meant like all over.
All over.
Everywhere.
Everywhere.
No, I think it's all over. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, all over, right? Everywhere.
I think it's all over.
Good. Thank you.
Maurice, what do you say, Maurice?
Yeah, it's overall, in general.
Okay.
Liberal.
Okay.
Like
All
overall.
inclusive.
Okay. Okay. Henrietta, can you read, please, Henrietta?
Ja, ich bank nach Bessarabia, weil dort ist mir gewesen gut. Ich bank nach Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim, vergessen können nicht. We translated that. It's,
Yeah, we did. So, okay. You were
ich
talking.
bin noch gut gewesen, hab ich ständig nur gesehen, heim, die Teier, du Teier, du mein. London, New York, sie haben sehr kein. For sie is by
Paris.
dear,
Paris.
for dear,
No, it's Paris, the
Paris.
city Paris.
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 Paris. is bei dir a guter a
Gorton,
Gurtenschein. Du bist in mein Herzen tiefer rein.
Okay. So, can you translate it? Maurice will help.
Wo ich bin noch gut gewesen. When I was still
No, wenn ich bin noch nicht gewesen.
not nicht gewesen.
it's like any place that I've been. Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen. Any place that I may have been and that I have seen only, he says, my home, dear home, my dear home, no matter
Yes.
where he goes.
Okay, go on, Maurice, translate it.
Sure, London, New York, they have their charm. Paris for you is a beautiful garden, but you are deep in my heart.
Okay. Yeah, Elaine, yes.
The
have
words
another-
are beautiful.
Yeah, it's the first line. To me, I translated it as, even though I haven't been there where I haven't been lately, I constantly see it. I don't know if I'm getting the tenses correctly, but I don't have that first line. Can you explain how you got what you got? Wo ich bin noch nicht.
Where I haven't been, no matter where
Yeah.
in other words, he can't imagine.
Oh, no matter. Okay, got
matter.
it. Got
Right.
it. Okay, it was the same sense of, okay, I got
Right.
it.
Okay. Any more questions for this one? No. Okay. Leslie, can you read, please?
Okay. Ich bank nach Bessarabia, weil dorten is mir gewesen gut. Ich bank nach Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim vergessen kann ich nicht.
Okay, so we already translated it. Okay, can you continue?
Yes, spazieren geht man dort beim Dniester,
Yes,
The Dniester,
Yes,
that's a river.
Dniester, the river. Freilich is gewesen überall. A Jontif is dort gewesen der Größte. Wenn man fragt essen, Bräut mit Kaschkaval. So I used to walk there by the Dniester River, and I was happy, and there was happiness everywhere. On the holiday, it was the best. When people ask about eating bread with kashkaval.
When people used to eat, flaked essen, used to eat.
Oh yes, flaked. I
Used
read
to.
it as flaked. Yes.
Yeah.
We used to.
Okay. Okay, so go on, just read it because it's a repeat, yeah. Leslie, go on, just read
More?
it.
Okay.
Just read it, just.
Okay. Oi ich bank nach Bessarabia, weil dorten is mir gewesen gut. Ich bank nach Bessarabia, mein schöner Heim vergessen kann ich nicht.
Okay, I see that it's again the same thing, so.
Now come on. No.
No, there is no use. It's again, except for the last one. The last one is different. Okay, go on.
Okay. Ich bank nach Bessarabia, meiner schöner Heim gewollt ich nach Zen. Ich bank nach Bessarabia, oi, sie schön nicht kein was es is gewesen. So I long for Bessarabia, my beautiful home. I would like if I could only see you
Yes.
again. I long for Bessarabia. Oi, It's not yet. Okay, just let me think what that means. Sis schoin nicht kein was es is gewesen. It's not what it used to be.
Yes, exactly. Yeah, yeah. Good. Thank you. Thank you. Any question before we listen to it once again?
Could we
I
see the pictures again?
I want to
Well,
say,
Longer?
oh, there it is.
Yeah,
I
that's,
love-
you know, that's
A
once
lot
upon a
of-
time.
a lot of klezmer music came out of that area, but is it its own country, Bessarabia, or just a
No,
neighborhood?
no. It's
Not
an
anymore.
area. It's a
area.
region. It's what you call a region. Hi,
region.
Bonnie. Good to see you. How are you?
Well, they
I'm
have,
doing okay. It's a 1 week home from the hospital. I have a new hip, and so far it's behaving. You know.
Good. Good.
So,
Well-
yeah, I'm in recovery.
Good.
Let's
We
put
are
it that
happy-
way.
We are
Okay.
happy to hear it. Okay, so now
I
to
would
the
say,
song.
so yeah, it's good to see everyone. So I joined in a couple minutes late, and I wasn't sure about the word bank. Ich
Long.
bank. So it's a new word.
Long
Long
for.
for, yeah. Does it have any other meaning? And that's very specific. I long. Okay. Yeah, great. It's a new word for Anaya Vorst. Adank.
but many of the klezmer people interviewed musicians from that area, and they got a lot of unusual songs that we never heard of before.
Okay, guys, so let's listen to it once again.
Weg nach Bessarabien, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich weg nach Bessarabien, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Spazieren fliegt man dort mein Jester, fröhlich ist gewesen überall. Joptif ist dort gewesen die Gräster, als man fliegt essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi. Weg nach Bessarabien, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Ich weg nach Bessarabien, oi, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Wo ich bin noch nicht gewesen, hab ich ständig nur gesehen, hey, du Teier, du mein. London, New York haben nicht ein Gein, Paris ist bei dir ein Dorf und Schein, die bist die, wenn Harze mir rein. Ich denk nach Bessarabien, weil es ist mir dort gewesen geht. Weg nach Bessarabien, mein schöne Heim vergessen kann ich nicht. Spazieren bringt man dort beim Jester, fröhlich ist gewesen überall. Joptif ist dort gewesen die Gräster, als man fliegt essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi. Gewesen überall, ein Junge ist dort gewesen die Gräste, als man fliegt essen Brot mit Katschke Walloi. Ich denk nach Bessarabien, mein schöne Heim wollte ich gewollt noch sehen. Ich denk nach Bessarabie. Oi, es ist schon nicht mehr, was es ist gewesen.
Okay. Das hat gewesen, Freilich.
Yeah.
Can I ask a question?
Of course.
Where is Bessarabia now?
Bessarabia now is part of Romania.
It is part of Romania. Thank you.
It is part of Romania now, but it used to travel between the countries, you know. One day here, one day there, so. But right now it's in Romania.
Okay,
Yeah.
thank you.
Rochelle, yes?
I just have a personal comment. You know, we have these songs of longing for the hometown, and my parents just despise. I mean, they were Holocaust survivors. They never wanted to go back. They never looked back, and it was all horror for them.
Yeah. Rochelle, your parents were from Lodz?
My mother was from Lodz, and she went to 6th grade and then was apprenticed as a seamstress, which saved her life because she worked
Okay.
in the German uniforms in the ghetto. And my father was from a town called Plunge, which no longer exists.
So I don't know, maybe it was Lodz because my mother was also same story. Lodz, seamstress, and maybe it was something about Lodz, I don't know. They never wanted to go back, never. And they never did go back. So.
No, my parents didn't either.
Yeah, but some other people, I don't know.
Different experience.
Does anyone know the derivation of the name?
What name?
Bessarabia, how the name was in the middle of the Eastern Europe, how the name Bessarabia, where the origin of the name, etymology or?
We'll remember that this area was settled pretty heavily by Latin speakers, and a Romanian to this day is a Romance language.
Yes.
So I believe, so I believe
Okay.
it comes from something to do with.
We'll go at 1,
If my memory serves correctly.
unless you have to do the car.
Yeah.
All right,
Okay, yeah, Rafael, yes.
whatever.
my
I gotta
wife's-
get that mailed though. I'll go off here as well.
Just
Somebody
a moment,
needs to
someone is
mute.
speaking.
My
Yeah.
wife's family, part of it came from Plungian or Plunge. It's not plunge, it's Plunge. It still does exist. It's in Lithuania.
Mhm.
Ah,
Okay, so Plonge, okay. Yeah,
There's
Cookie,
actually-
Yuki.
There's
Cookie.
actually a Plunge society, so there, all of the people are gone except, you know, in my generation is also beginning to die off. But there's a burial ground in on Long Island and a Plunge society that was very active. And, you know, the I forgot what they were called, the books that they made for
Yearbook, the ISKOR books, the
Isker
ISKOR
book. Yeah, but you know, there's nobody interested in it anymore.
That's true. Cookie, yes.
You know what gets me is the longing for all these places, and what kind of a life did they have when they were happy? They didn't have anything anyway. They were poor, so apparently it was the love, affection, and the gathering of the people or the shul or something that must have made them love a place where they just had enough to eat and barely make a living and looked as poor as could be. I mean, what was there to love about there?
There was the culture. There was the culture. It's where you come from. You have a certain feeling. I mean, I moved just from, I was born in Philadelphia. Of course, it's, you know, civilized and all that. But why did I want to move back to Philadelphia? I didn't have that many friends here at that time. There were just really a couple people. My brother was here. My parents were in Florida. But there's also, you know, a certain longing for our culture. And in those cases, that's what they missed. And they didn't look at the horrors.
They didn't even have enough to eat.
Yeah,
Okay.
all right. All right. Good note.
Okay, one at a time, guys. One at a time. Anita, now Anita.
My mother comes from Rajan.
Cookie, one of a time. Anita, now you.
Yes, I want to defend the lodge. I mean, my parents always, it was a very well very nice city. There was a lot of culture, Baja cinematography, and many other endeavors were there. There was a lot of good things, but most of all, my mother, what they talk is about the food. The chicken was better, the butter was better, everything was better in Lodz in Poland. So, you know, there are a lot of things people miss.
Okay, let me be just cynical. I think what they missed was their youthful year when they were young. That's what they missed. So I don't know, but maybe it's too cynical, but yeah, okay.
I have to
Elaine,
say something.
one moment, Neely.
Okay.
Elaine,
No,
and then you.
Yeah, what I was going to say is that I think a lot depends on when they came. I think it would be more understandable if Holocaust survivors, you know, never ever wanted to go back. But you know, my father came in 1926. He was 13 years old, and honestly, he told me he remembered no anti-Semitism. He came from Tykocin, in Poland. No anti-Semitism. They were not poor. And he, in fact, we went back with him to his town, but he had very good memories of growing up there. And there were very vibrant Zionist organizations. I have the Yizkor book, and I can't read it because it's in Hebrew. I mean, it's in very tiny print Hebrew, but I have the Yizkor book, and there's pictures of all the Zionist organizations, and he was too young, but his older brothers were in it, you know, but they came before, you know, they came before all the terrible things happened.
So it's personal, yeah. So Neely, you, and then we go to the story. Neely.
My parents came as pioneers to build Israel, but my mother used to tell me a lot about the shtetl, and many people from the shtetl came to Israel, very nice people. So when I grew up, I decided, after she died, I decided that we went to Europe, to Eastern Europe, and I went to this shtetl. And it was beautiful, and I even got to go into the house that belonged to the family. It was on a lake, it was beautiful, and they came because they were pioneers, you know, they wanted to build Israel, not because they suffered there. I think they suffer in Israel more.
Okay, so it's very personal. So
yes.
Okay, I think, yeah, Julia, you want to say something?
This is about Lodz. As many of us know, the writer, the wonderful Yiddish writer Chava Rosenfarb, was born in Lodz, and unfortunately, most of the people that she grew up with, they were all sent to Auschwitz. Fortunately, Chava and her family were okay, and she was eventually sent to Bergen-Belsen. And what is interesting to me is more recently, and I don't know the specific year, but Chava's daughter, Goldie Morgenthaler, who lives now in Lethbridge, which I'd never heard of before, but anyhow, she has gone back. Chava herself is deceased now, but Goldie has gone back there because Lodz has had basically things in honor of those who were sent away.
Okay, thank you, Julia. Thank you for telling us. Yeah. Okay, I think we should move to the story. It is Erev Shavuos after all. Tomorrow is Shavuos, so this story is in honor of it. Okay, it's big enough?
Yes.
Yes? Okay, so we start, it's from the top of of page 2. Rafael, will you start, please?
Yes.
Just a moment. In the previous page, it just is giving us all the names of the milchikes essen that he would have liked to eat. And now it continues. Please, Rafael.
Waarom wenn zal mich aufwecken in Nacht mit der langen milchiks? Because if they would awaken me in the middle of the night and hand me over some milchig food, is abich bin gar nicht fleischig, is mitten gresten covered. Then, unless I happen to be fleischig at the moment, it's with the greatest honor. I would certainly love it. Lamai zal ich liken it. So why should I deny it? Ich halt von milchiks. I'm really very fond of milchiks. Und nicht as ich, wie sie. And not just I, also she. Herself, as they would say in Ireland. Not just me, but herself. Bei uns in Kasrilivka, heißen wir die Fressers. In Kasrilivka, where we live, they call us the gobblers. Essen wir gleich mit alle Jeden. Although, as far as eating is concerned, we eat the same as anyone else. Das heißt, that is to say, kadachas in the klein teppele. It's just illness in a small bowl. Kadachas, it's fever. Fever in a small bowl.
You know that it was exactly translated into Hebrew. We have a saying in Hebrew, kadachat batzalachat, which is exactly the same thing. Kaduchas is a klein teppele. Just a moment, I will stop you here because Elaine wants something. Elaine?
Yeah, I wanted the Z. I translated a paragraph for today also. And who's the Z?
It's his wife. His wife.
Oh, so his wife wakes him up to offer him.
No. If someone were to awaken me, I would gladly accept it. Not only do I love milchiks, but she herself does too. And she's just referring to his wife as she. But it has nothing to do with who might hand him the milchiks.
Okay.
Okay, go on, Rafael.
Die Kasche. Well, that leaves the question. Von wann nennt man sich der Nomen Fressers? So how do we acquire this name, gobblers? Lass mich also wissen, Beis. I should know from such evil. Es kann sein, es nimmt sich davon. Maybe it comes from the fact, was wir haben lieb reden von essen, that we just love to talk about food. Lemoshel, ich allein hab lieb a reis zu gehen in Mark. For example, I myself love to go out to the market and stehen by the fish and to stand next to the fish seller. Fish is by mir das Chies. Fish is my whole life. I really love fish. For fish, wollte ich weggegeben mir idea was. For fish, I would give up who knows what. An Efscher nimmt sich es von dem, and maybe the name comes from the fact, was man esst bei uns, where are we? A Sachbrot. That at our place, we eat a lot of bread. Lemoshel, bei mir geht weg, kenenora, a Sach mel of Shabbos. For example, at our place, no evil eye, we use a lot of flour for Shabbos. Warum es voran bei mir nicht zu versindigen, wer soll kein? Because we have at our place, I shouldn't sin by saying this, enough people to eat it. We have who should chew it. Ich hab, sie sollen leben und gesund sein, 3/4 Tuts. I have, they should live and be healthy, 3/4 of a dozen.
Which is mathematicians.
8 kids.
It is a 9. Okay.
Okay, 9 kids. Okay, fine. Und alle, Baruch Hashem, haben Appetit zum Essen. And each of them, God be praised, has an appetite to eat. Man darf mit sich Chalila zum Reben nicht ankuhen. There's no need God forbid, to go to the rabbi, beim Doktor, kein Aids ist nicht verlieren, or to ask any advice by doctors. Halavai, wollt nur gewinn was zu essen, if only there had been, there were something to eat. Warum ich bin, lo alechem, nicht von die größten Negidim. Because I am, it shouldn't happen to you, not one of the great rich folk. Das heißt, Chalila nicht kein Araman, that is to say, God forbid, I'm not a poor person, noch kein Gewirr vade nicht, but I'm certainly not a rich one. Ich bin allein a Kremer bin ich. I myself am a storekeeper. Notice the expression, ich bin ich. That's an example of Southern Yiddish. Multich, just imagine, a kram by mir, afal Yiddish sanim. My store, well, it should happen to all the enemies of the Jews. Says nor an oisre. That's just something you might say. Nicht kein kram. It's not actually a store. Ich bedarf sie halten, lieb dem Korav. I've got to keep this store because of my relative. Die kram heißt es. That is, I have to keep the store. Ich hab versteht ihr mich, mein eigene Makorav erreichen. I have, you should understand me, my own relative who's rich, von ihrer side, from herself's side. That's his wife's side.
Yeah.
Sein Vater is ihr Mutters und ihr Mutters Mutter seinen gewinn eigene Geschwister kinderlich. His father and her mother's mother were actual first cousins. Afila a weitlicher Korav. Well, even though he's a kind of distant relative, nor doch a Korav, but still you call him a relative. Is a Yampeler Iser. Notice again, the is Iser, the southern dialect. He's from Yampel. He is. Das heißt, that is to say, sitzt in Yampele, he's actually living in Yampele, und rechnet sich dort zwischen die Gewirren. And there he's considered to be one of the rich ones. Das heißt, that is to say, einmal hat sich gerechnet nur zwischen die große Gewirren. Once upon a time, he was considered among the big rich folk. Heint is a bissel dosek. But now he's become a little bit, you know what. Ich mein verdreht. I mean it just the opposite. Noch von deswegen, but nonetheless, gehört sich nicht an, nicht mit anderen. He, let's see, it would mean he doesn't consider himself like others. Sein Schaden auf mir gesagt geworden. His distress, it should only happen to me. That is, he didn't get all that poor. Was zahlt über noch 1%, the amount that he pays for interest in 1 year, wollt gewinnt genug für uns beiden. That would be enough for both of us to live on.
Beautiful. Thank you.
Can I ask a question?
Yes, of course.
I can't raise my hand when I'm co-hosting.
No problem.
Yeah, so very back at the first sentence, he says, even though I'm not at all fleischig, what does fleischig mean there?
Okay, it means the custom, the rule is that if you've been eating, you don't mix milk and meat. If you've had a meat meal, you wait a period of time before you have a milk meal. The period of time varies by local custom, but until you have waited that long, you consider yourself to be fleischig, and therefore you won't eat milchiks at that point.
In my house,
let's do that sentence. Ask for me to be woken up in the middle of the night and given dairy. Does that mean he waited long enough until after?
Not necessarily. He says, if you would wake me up in the middle of the night and hand me some milchiks, I'd love it, unless I'm fleischig.
Oh, then I wouldn't do it if I was fleischig.
Yes,
exactly.
I see. Okay, thank you so much.
we had to wait 6 hours after fleischig to have milchiks, and 4 hours after milchiks to have fleischig.
I wait 3.
It depends on where, it depends on
He's
where.
conservative.
Yeah. Morty,
Morty.
how long do you wait?
Can I ask a question?
Just a moment, Morty, and then you. Morty. Morty. You are muted, please.
I wait 2 hours.
You see, and you know how much I wait?
I know. But I
Now I
among
don't
those-
wait at all.
among those who do hold the tradition of waiting, the shortest one is the Dutch tradition, which is 1 hour.
Okay. Okay. And is there a reason that the traditions are varied from one place to another?
I have a guess. My
Yeah.
guess is it depends on how much food you've got at home. If you live in a place where you only get about 2 meals a day, then you wait a longer time. In Holland, they're noshers and they eat all day long.
That's a great answer.
That's true. Okay, Neely, I didn't forget you. What did you want to ask?
On page 2, the last row, it says, is abyssal Dasik. What is Dasik?
Abyssal Dasik?
Yeah.
Can you put
Oh.
your cursor over it, please?
It's the
Yeah.
last line here.
Yeah.
It comes from the word dos, meaning this. But
Oh, this.
but dosik can mean not pleasant.
Yeah.
It's
Oh.
it's
I
a
found
strange-
ill-disposed. Is it okay for you?
Yeah, although it's not it's not in health here. It means in his financial situation.
Mhm.
Does dubious work?
Yeah, I guess it would.
Sort of, right?
Yeah.
And
In other words,
after that, no von der Wegen.
von deswegen means nonetheless.
Right. Oh.
Okay, so Marsha and then Beverly. Marsha.
Does Jessica come from that word?
No, that comes from daw.
No. Okay. Beverly?
Yes, the town Yumpala. My mother talked about that town all the time. So I imagine it was close by to her town, which was even tinier. But there was a town Yumpala.
Okay.
Or Yumpel.
Okay. Any other questions or comments before we continue?
Yep. Just want to make a comment.
Okay, Hilda, can you continue?
Kommen wir, heißt es einmal zu ihm auf Kapitel.
Ovis.
Keverovis. Oh, that's to the burial, the grounds.
Yes.
Cemetery.
All right, okay. Einmal ich, einmal sie.
Okay, can you translate it? Yes. Sir.
All right. When we went, that is to say, occasionally to the burial grounds, sometimes me, sometimes she. We meweint sich euch über a bissel, bezelt sich a viele will nicht leiden, no es hilft ihm wie der What does that mean?
Last
The
year's
snow of last year.
I see.
Last year's snow.
It's like saying we have a Teutenbank.
Exactly. So let's translate it.
That is to say, when we come there einmal zu ihm auf Kever of us, when he came to the burial ground, to visit.
When we come, Mir, when
we come to visit at the burial grounds. Sometimes me, sometimes she. We or they cry. Sich ois, or they have a good cry. A little.
We cry a little, yeah.
We cry a little. He becomes base. It's like upset. Is it? No.
Upset, angry.
Angry. Even will nicht leiden. He didn't want to suffer. Yes?
Is it suffer here, guys? Can
What?
someone help out? Is it suffer, will nicht leiden?
He doesn't want to stand for it.
But it doesn't make sense with the sentence.
Will nicht
I
leiden.
think it means he doesn't want to feel pity for them. He doesn't want to be involved with their suffering, but that doesn't help him because they keep on crying and they keep on.
So he doesn't want to.
It's like Mitleid. He doesn't want to feel empathy, perhaps.
Okay,
Doesn't,
that's more.
doesn't want to grieve. Yes.
Yeah, that's more. Yeah, because otherwise, if he's suffering, it doesn't make sense with the.
No, he doesn't
I
want
think
to grieve.
what got left out is in the first sentence. It's that they approach him when they're all visiting their ancestors' graves. They approach him sometimes.
Watching for money, yes.
Yeah. Norris helped him, but it helps him. Videl Fariorike. Nay, all right, but it helps him like last year's snow.
So it doesn't help him at all. They keep crying and
Yeah. Muss geben nicht Geld is Schoire. He must give, not money, but
אלא, איך הולכים בלי זה?
נילי, shut up.
כן, את אמרת שאת תקני
נילי,
כרטיסים,
shut up.
תגידי לי.
Oh my God. I cannot mute her.
ואני אחזיר לך את הכסף.
נילי.
בסדר.
I cannot mute her, I don't know why.
חן חן לך.
Marif, can you?
ביי.
No,
Okay.
it doesn't work for me either. I don't know.
I cannot mute her, so just a moment, let me talk to her. Nili, can you hear me? Nili?
מה?
When you talk on the phone, mute yourself. For some reason, I cannot mute you. So if you are on the
Oh,
phone...
I cannot, I tried to click on this mute thing.
Yeah, it's not working with you, so don't talk on the phone.
Go in the other room if you have to talk.
Or
on
go
the
in the
phone.
other room, yeah, sorry, but we can hear all your transactions. So, okay, go on, Hilda,
All
please.
right.
He has to give. If not money,
Nicht Geld, no Schoire, not money, but goods. Yes.
no. If I think here it's if not money, then he gives goods.
Yes, that's what I was saying. Good.
Yeah.
What is Sugura?
Goods.
Food?
Schoire is
Merchandise.
Merchandise, exactly.
Yes. Nicht Schoire is a Wechsel. So there's an exchange, yes?
No.
What
A
is
bill of
Wechsel?
exchange, a draft.
Yeah, okay.
Promissory note.
Oh,
A
it's like
note. A promissory
an
note.
IOU, yes.
Exactly.
Yeah, okay. Hat den an Andel Breire. Does he have an alternative? Is the question.
Yes.
Warum sie? Why her? Is that
No,
right?
because, here it's because.
Ah, because of her, sie. As sie, ze weint sich, because she is crying so much.
Because when she's crying, everything here is an if. If she's crying, when
Oh,
she's crying.
okay. As sie weint sich, if she's crying, is men gern. Then a person is gern is pleased. No, aren't we? Gern.
Yeah, so
Eager, eager.
Eager, okay. As sie hört auf, because if she's crying, then we are eager that she should stop.
Yes, exactly.
Yeah. Na dir heißt das. Na dir heißt das. Abi wenn nicht.
Nein, nicht.
Yes, I haven't got the meaning of that.
So here, it means take it, just don't cry.
Here you have.
Here you have.
Yeah,
This
you've
is-
got it. Stop
got it.
crying.
Just
Yeah,
stop
okay.
crying, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, thank you, Hilda. I see people
Okay.
raise their hands. Barbara?
Okay, I'm really confused here, folks. I'm really not following
Okay,
with
let's
regard to
read
the
it together.
cemetery and then this situation with,
He has
just
a
take
rich
this.
relative, and sometimes they run into him at the cemetery and they ask him for help. And the wife cries and cries, and so he finally has to do something because when she cries, everybody can't stand it. She's
All
Get
right,
it?
well, thank you. And
Okay.
I really, I really am finding this difficult, so,
No,
yeah,
no,
thank
that's
you.
Shalom Aleichem is so rich. You can understand the words, and you have to go another level to get, what he's
Yeah.
talking about.
Yeah, I'm
Also,
not
you have
at
to
that
get-
level.
You have to get the irony. You have to
Thank
get the
you.
irony. That's another thing. So, Marsha, yes.
Isn't her name Z? So
No.
her name is in quotes, Z.
Z is the wife. It doesn't give a name.
But I thought that's why it's in quotes.
No, it's in quote
wife.
because it's like she.
I know
So-
Z means she, but if it's in quotes,
No,
all right,
so
I'm
that's-
just-
But
I'm
she's
on
not
this
just she as her, she.
Yeah.
She's more than that. And he conveys the fact that she is somebody by putting it in quotation marks.
Formidable.
Mhm.
Okay, so let's go on. Karen, can you continue?
I have a question.
Okay, please. Yeah.
The word as, doesn't that also mean like wenn? Azit weint sich, not if she cries. Azit weint sich when she cries. As megate, when we go.
It's what I think it's what it's called if sentences. When something occurs, then another thing will occur. Okay, Cookie?
I don't know, you're saying as means if? I
Here
think
it can mean then and it can mean if. Rafael will clear it up for us.
I agree with Cookie, that here
Yeah.
you can use as to mean whenever.
Mhm.
Whenever she cries, then.
not if, it's definitely not if.
Okay, no
What
problem.
is there's then? What is
What?
Azai, there's then. There's then. What is there's then?
Zayn, to see.
Oh, there's then?
Yeah, but
no
here,
yud there.
we didn't get to it yet. We didn't get to it yet. So, Karen, can you start?
Yes.
Before this,
I have
Elaine.
the word geren, what it, mingeren, is mingeren. What does that mean? Didn't get it.
Geren is to be eager. People are eager to cause her to stop.
Oh, okay. So when she's crying, people are eager to have her stop.
Yes.
And then as the hert off, so hert is off hert. Yeah.
Aufhören is to stop.
When they hear her, to get her to stop.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, good. Now, Karen, please.
Als zij der sehen sie von der Weiten, wird sie 10 Löcher in Herzen. When they see her from a distance, they get 10 holes in their heart. Sie prüfen sich mit Terutzim. They try to explain to her. I'm not sure how to translate that. Terutzim means endeavor to answer a difficult question, justification.
In Hebrew, it's excuses.
Excuses. They make up excuses.
Excuses. It's an Hebrew word, and in Hebrew it's excuses. So
Okay. They attempt excuses. Men is nicht in der Heim. They're not home. Weggefahren von Yampala. They left from Yampol. Stark vernommen, extremely busy. Blotte.
That's a very Sholem Aleichem word. The blotte. Yeah,
What does he mean by that? Because literally it's mud, right? But
Okay, Refoel.
Yeah, here blotte means nonsense. It's just like mud. But I also want to. But I looked up Yampala, and Yampol. It's in Ukraine. It's between Kiev and Lviv.
Okay.
Lvov. What is blatte? I didn't understand.
We just say
what?
Mud.
Mud, yeah.
Mud?
But it doesn't mean mud. It's mud literally, but figuratively, it means just a bunch of garbage. Whatever they said, just nonsense, garbage, crap, whatever you want to call it. Blood.
Exactly.
Okay, Bankins.
Okay, but it's a word that he uses a lot in his things when he says.
I never heard it.
Go on, Karen.
Lotta vi a Teuten Bankes.
That's a good one.
Like a dead, like cupping a dead person. I think that means that it doesn't work. The excuses.
That's a phrase I heard in my house quite often.
it was an old healing method, and so it works like trying to heal the dead.
That's the cupping of those cups my mother used to put on people. They would call her. It's like putting it on a dead person. That's how much it helps.
Yeah, actually cupping
I've
has come back as an alternative medical use with
they use it in physical therapy.
Yeah.
But here again, you don't use it literally. It's figuratively that it's useless. It's no hope. That's what it really means. As anytime you say it, helping the Titan bankers, you mean it's nothing's gonna help at all. That's what it means.
Okay, go on, Karen.
Refoil has his hand up.
Refoil, you want to say something?
Yeah.
Or
No, it was leftover. Sorry.
It's from before, yeah. So Karen, go on.
Unseres muss abgegeben werden, gar on Shum Teretz. We must give up, reply, surrender. I don't know how to translate this. Entirely for no reason to excuse. I don't know how to.
Maurice, would you translate it for us, please? Maurice?
It is filled.
My name now?
Oh, he's gone.
Well, I don't
Okay.
see. Morty, would you like to translate it for us, please?
Which it's unser muss man
Unseres
noch
muss abgeben werden und on shum teretz.
Ours has to give in without any excuses.
Right.
Okay, guys.
Previous, they try to come up with excuses for people are not home, they've left Yampa, they're very busy, but
Yeah.
they have to
In the
give
end,
up.
they have to give in
To
and
give
give
in,
the money.
yeah. Rafael, would you like to add anything?
Yeah, I wouldn't say give in. Unzers, that which is due to us must be given without any excuses. So it must be handed over without any excuses. In other words, she won't accept these excuses that he's not home or that he's very busy.
Oh.
Okay, thanks. So Karen, go on. No?
Nor was sollt ihr klären? I think that means, but what should you explain or think over? What should you think
Yeah.
over? Sis avade nicht gut, as me darf ankommen zu, I'm sorry. Zum Menschen, nor was soll man tun? When it's certainly not good if you need to come to darf kommen, ankommen zu Menschen is an idiom that means when you depend on the assistance of others or when you're reduced to charity.
Okay.
It's not good when you're reduced to charity.
Okay.
Nor was soll man tun? So what are you supposed to do? Wie sagt man das? And this is a how do you say? And then this is a Hebrew.
That's Hebrew. Kol zman shaneshama bekirbi. As long as the soul is within me, which means as long as I'm alive.
Yes. Is raib motia.
Motia. This I don't understand.
It's not me, not me. Motia means not me, or and it's not me. I think perhaps I'm gonna eat. I don't know what it means. Mensch kolsman lebt darf essen. So long as a person lives, they need to eat.
Yes, that's true. Thank you. Maybe Rafael, you can explain to us what it is, right, Motia?
I think so. I'm not sure. He's saying, as long as you're alive, well, literally go and rub Motya. Motya is this person's name. And so it's like Moses or Motel. So I don't think Motya is a Slavic word, but it might be. And Raib meaning make do somehow. Although I've not seen this expression elsewhere. So as long as you're alive, you got to make do somehow.
Okay, yeah, it makes sense, but I never saw it. Yeah, so it's the first time that I see it. Yeah. Okay, thank you, Rafael. Marsha, yes.
The word Claren, Zolster, Claren, could declare in English. Could that be a similar word? Claren.
Claren
is to think
over or contemplate.
To think over.
Well,
if it's the same in English.
The word in
know.
English, I always think of declare. Am I wrong?
I don't know. Louisa is not here. Louisa is not here, so we don't have the linguistic side. So
yeah. What about clarify?
Yeah.
I always think about it as clarify.
I thought Claren was to think about something.
Yes, yeah, it is.
Well, what is the meaning of declare? To say? I guess I don't know.
You've declared it already. You've already thought it out. As been declared.
Okay.
Paul has his hand up.
Yeah, reform. It's a
Yeah,
new one. You want?
yeah,
okay.
maybe. The Claire, what Marcia is saying, there is a Latin root, a clar, which means clear, and from that we get the word declare, and we get clarify. But I think the Germanic claren, although it might come from the same Proto-Indo-European root, has gone a somewhat different direction. And here, claren means to think over. It might be related, it might not be related.
Minna, I have two questions.
Yes.
In there's a word that has dashes. There's a 3-part word.
Tsuna mention. Yes.
Yeah, I can explain that if you'd like.
Yeah, could you please, what is that exactly?
Okay. It's a how people would pronounce it. Usually you'd spell it mensch, to a person. Now the word mensch can take a dative ending. It's one of the few nouns that can. So you get mention. But then in the Southern dialect, the tsu ends up with tsun before a vowel. So you get mention. And then so it's mensch, to a person. Ankommen zu einem Menschen or ankommen zu einer Menschen, to have to come for charity to a person. Ankommen is to come for charity.
Okay.
And so it's spelled that way because that's how it's pronounced. And that's the original. That's how it was spelled in the original. I just checked. Although these days you might say tsun as one word, as a second word, and mention as a third word.
Thank you. Okay, the other thing is mocha. I had a great uncle named Mocha. And I'm wondering if that is there some kind of a little joke in there? Does it have other meanings to it?
Yeah, it might be. Reiben is like Reibengrain to great horseradish, and Motya, it might be that it's like Bubba used to ask me, my name being Motya, go make some horseradish. So I'm not sure. The expression means do what you can.
Okay.
In the dictionary it says nit by much and means nothing doing. Not by me.
Yeah.
So there might have been a little joke in it all the time when they called him that. I bet.
There's a joke.
Thank you.
Okay. We will not solve it now. So go on, Mari. Shayach
Okay.
Zogen.
Okay, so Shalom Aleichem. I tried to get all literal, but we'll see if I interpret it correctly.
Okay.
Shayach Zogen Essen. That's a Hebrew starting word. How is food connected? Why are we talking about food? No, tell me how do you translate it?
It's
Zogen Essen.
like okay to say food, but it means exactly, the food is not exactly food. We will see it later. But the shayach, I don't know how to do it here.
Regarding food, maybe?
Is it shich?
Shayach.
Okay.
Yeah, shayach means.
No, it's shayach.
It's certainly shayach. It's certainly shayach, and it means relevant. So is it relevant to talk about food?
Yeah, because what we will see is they don't have food. Okay.
Nicht lieb das Essen lebt a Mensch. Man does not live because of food. A Mensch ist doch nicht kein Behemme. A man is not, after all, a beast. A Behemme is a Behemme, and a Mensch is a Mensch. A beast is a beast, and a man is a man. Und a Mensch, as wird nicht essen, von wannen wird leben. And a man, if he will not eat or he cannot eat, maybe, from what will he live? Otter von alleen, from this alone, konnte schon verstehen, you can already understand, as mi hot a vibe mit, that if you have a wife with kind of horror, 9 pikers. Now, this one was really interesting. I think I thought at first it meant children, but because before he said he had 3/4 of a dozen children, so you know, but
Pickers is mouth to feed.
mouth to feed is what yeah.
Oh, okay.
Bedarf haben a Shane Punum. You need to have like a beautiful thing. It's literally a beautiful face, but a beautiful thing. A broit oder a bulka, a bread or a bun, as me lecht avec oifen tisch, to put on the table. So you need to have something good to feed them if you got all these mouths around, right?
Exactly.
Und a fila, a schissel Kartoffel, and even a bowl of potatoes. Sie mag sein mit a barg. You may even have a mountain of them. Is genug ein Viertel Sche, is only enough for a 1/4 of an hour. Soll nicht bleiben kein sorted ufolit?
Yeah. Sorry the polit. Yeah.
Enough for a 1/4 of an hour. Gleich wie es gar kein Kartoffel nicht gegeben, auf der Welt a viele. Just as if there had never been any potatoes in the world. That's how fast they're going to disappear, is what he's saying. Everybody, am I okay?
Yeah, you're doing
Okay.
really fine, but just
No,
a moment, Elaine.
Yeah, wait a minute, I gotta find it. The part before, hold on, I'm looking for it in that sentence. Sie mag sein mit aber, es ist nicht bleiben kein, whatever that,
Sorry,
sorry.
the polit. There will be no remains. Nothing will remain.
So what is sorted up pilot, pilot, I don't know. Palit, what is that?
There
Nothing
will
left.
be no remains. Sarid is something that remains from, someone who remains from. Palit is a refugee, but together, Sarid and Palit is no remaining. Nothing that remains.
So there remains nothing.
Yes,
Because
exactly.
bleiben is remains, yes?
Yes,
To
so
remain.
nothing will remain.
Nothing will remain. Okay.
So like a remnant, no
It
remnant.
means leftover.
Yes.
Nothing will be left over from the food. It will all
Okay.
go.
Nothing left.
Yeah, the essence is that even if the potatoes are a mountain, it
They'll eat every last bit of them.
Every last bit
Every little drop.
appears as if nobody had ever seen potatoes before.
Yeah.
Got it. Thank you.
Okay. Morty?
Yes, I just wanted to mention, I found interesting the word pickers, which I had never seen before reading the story previously. In my house where we spoke the Southern Galicianer Yiddish, it was always piskies,
Piskers. Yeah, a piece.
not pickers.
Yeah.
But
So what does piskers mean in that?
Mouths.
Mouth.
Yeah,
A piece, a mouth.
But a pisk meant somebody who was talking back to you, I thought.
But
Yeah,
also
you can
when you
use
eat.
it. You can use it in that sense when you say something like "erota pisk."
Yes, that's
He
the
had
way.
a mouth on him. But
Yes.
when you talk about mouths that you have to feed, that was piskis.
Yeah, like a running pisk, like in Piskaran.
Like in Piscaray.
Like in Piskaran.
Yeah.
Recoil, yeah.
What's leg in Piscaron?
Put in your mouth. You know,
Okay.
I didn't used to eat a lot when I was a child. Well, sadly, it changed with age, but that's what my mother always told me, to put in my mouth. So, Rafael, yes?
Yeah, the verb picken, it's unusual, but it means to eat. And tzepikt means to burst from overeating, and a picker is someone who eats, or it can also refer just to a baby.
Oh, okay.
What?
Okay, we are learning a lot of words here.
Before, is that in English or in Yiddish?
Oh,
That
this
you-
is Yiddish.
Yiddish.
A picker is
Meaning
a baby. It's not a piker. It's not the English word at all.
Okay,
It's the baby mouth.
baby, yeah, okay. We
Where is it? I cannot see it.
here.
Where?
Okay.
Okay, ready to
I'm-
go?
Yes, go.
Okay, this is the Machaya to cooking. It's a pleasurable thing to watch. Zogik Reich, I tell you. Wie men est, how people eat. Keine hora, no matter what. In my home, by mir. Ich hab lieb zu sehen, wie sie essen. I like to see how they eat. Ich hab davon vergnügen. I enjoy it. It gives me pleasure. Und wer schmust freitag? Now this last sentence was a killer. So, and what about, or not to mention Friday evening, when the Shabbat starts, as me nehmt euch die frische, schmeckedicke Challah von dem Oven, when you take out the fresh, fragrant challah from the oven,
Oh, that's the same.
right up to there, okay?
Yeah.
Ruf ihr zu neuf mein Hevra. I call together. Now we know Hevra is, steady group of friends, but here it kind of means I call together my gang, all the people around the table at his house. Und sag sie, and say to them, okay, we're going to have fun with this last bit. Kinder ratavet, children save. Zolt ich sehen, wie mir ratavet. Let me see how you save. Machaya nefoshes, which literally means pleasure souls, I think. I think he's saying, go ahead, children, it's Shabbat. Save yourself, eat everything you can. Is that what everybody else gets?
Where is it? Oh, God.
The first sentence of page 4. Okay?
Page 4?
The first sentence of page 4. So Mechaya Nefesh.
Thank
It's like
you.
like a Mechaya. It's a lot of
Is
flesh.
Ratebet? What is Ratebet?
Yeah, what would be the literal translation? I know Messiah, but what would be the literal translation?
Saving. Oh, Mechaya is pleasurable.
No, Machaya is giving life to
Oh,
the
good.
souls.
Right, like
Okay.
Mechaya Mason.
But what is Ratebet?
To save.
Ratavet is rescue.
Rescue.
Rescue?
Rescue.
What?
להציל.
Rescue.
Maybe, maybe it means thrive. He just is sort of opening it to them and say, go ahead.
Go
thrive."
ahead, yeah.
Go ahead,
Messiah, I think it's a pleasure or something like that.
Yeah, it can be.
No.
I
I
always
think
thought
it
Machaya was
You
like
want
a
me to do
relief.
that one again so we try to get it more fully?
can,
Should I do it again?
okay, please.
Yeah, I'll go slowly, okay? Siza Machaya, it's I thought it was pleasurable, but Raphael says it gives life to. So cooking to a thing to watch. Zogik like I tell you. Wie men est, how people eat. Kind of hora. We all know what that means. By mir, in my
Without the
home.
evil eye.
Ich hab lieb zu sehen, wie sie essen. I like to see how they eat.
So it's a
Ich
big-
hab davon vergnügen. It gives me pleasure to see how they eat. Und wer schmust Freitag? And what about, or not to mention Friday, I'm sure he means evening, the start of Shabbat, right? As me nehmt euch die frische, schmeckedicke Challah von dem Oven, when you take out the fresh, fragrant challah from the oven, ruf ihr zu neuf mein Hevra, I
It should
call
be
together
ich.
my gang.
A misprint. It should be Ruf ich Tsunayf, as you translated it.
Okay.
And what is ruch ich?
I call together.
What is it? I'm sorry. One person.
I call them together.
Okay, thanks.
I gather them. Und sag sie, and say to them, Kinder ratavet. So children, save or rescue yourselves, maybe? Soll ich sehen, let me see, wie mir ratavet, how you rescue yourselves or save yourselves. Mechaya nefoshes, which literally means pleasure souls, I think, or, oh, is that given to life before, right there?
Can be life-giving.
I have to say that Machaya means more than what it says literally. Because I heard in the house, oh, it's just a Machaya. Oh, they ate something good. Oh, it's a Machaya. They use the word for many, many other figuratively than
Yeah, so we have to figure
Yeah,
out what
it's,
exactly
I
the
realize it's a superlative.
Right. As a
Okay.
noun, a machaya is a pleasure. Here,
Yeah,
machaya
a pleasure.
nefashis literally is
Yeah.
giving life to souls, but again, it means a pleasure.
Yeah, pleasure.
Okay. So, Morty, yeah?
Yeah, I think here in this case, ratavet, which really means it literally means rescue. I think he's telling his kids, rescue yourselves from hunger
Right.
or help. And for him, he's saying to himself or thinking, what a pleasure it is to see them eat.
Yeah.
That is, soll ich sehen, the way I see Vimeratevet, the way they recover or rescue themselves from hunger, it's a pleasure in my soul.
Yeah,
I have
like,
to say,
go for it. This is your one big meal of the week. Go for it, you know?
I think of my father when we used to eat. My mother was sometimes she tried to give us as little as possible because the money should spread out. Papa used to say, "Give ze wiffel ze willen ze essen, la ze essen, wiffel ze willen." Or he always said that, "Wiffel de wil ze essen, SS." Yeah.
They should eat as much as they want.
It just depends on how much you have to give. So
In
we
my,
will
in my house, they used to say, my father used to say, Essen Gedenk.
Essen Gedenk.
I remember.
Essen Gedenk. So we have 1 minute, so we will stop here and we will continue next week. So guys, classes will continue throughout my rises, throughout my trips, classes will continue. So,
okay.
So continue to come every week because I will be doing it from wherever I am at the time, okay?
Hey, you didn't mention Shavuos.
Yeah, well, that's the story. Happy Shavuos.
Oh, the story is of Shavuos? I didn't realize.
It's in honor of.
But what time will you be teaching?
The same time. It's the
Same everything.
Everything is the same, Neely.
So
Everything
you will
is the
have to
same.
get up in the middle of the night?
Oy
Oh,
vey.
no.
She's accommodating us, Millie.
That's what
Really,
she said.
Okay.
it's the same thing.
Okay.
He's devoted to us.
We
Thank
have
you
done
very
this
much.
before. We have done this
We
before.
are doing it every summer. Every summer I go to see the grandchildren in England. And
Thank you very much.
so
This-
it's the same. So you see, Hilda is from England and she's joining us now. So it will be the same for me. No problem.
Okay.
Same
Okay.
time next week.
Same
Okay,
time
see
next
you
week.
then. Sei gesund.
Okay.
Have a good
Any
Yontif.
comments on what we
Good
read?
Yontif.
Any comments on what we read until now?
No, is Leslie still there? Because I never got her email.
I ate a half hour later because the story was so getting a kick out of it. I forgot to eat.
Leslie is not here anymore, and
Okay, all right, well.
I didn't see the email in the chat either.
Maybe she didn't like it. No, I'm kidding.
No, maybe we
I'm
can ask
kidding.
Marta to communicate.
All
with her.
right, all right.
I don't know. So
Safe travels, Minna.
Yes.
thank you.
for sure.
Have a
Yes,
wonderful,
bye.
holiday tomorrow.
Have a good trip.
Thank you.
Yeah,
I hope you did some dairy things. Yeah, Hilda, yes.
No, I was
I thought that you
Dancing
wanted.
goodbye.
Okay,
They
okay.
have pastries for all of us.
Oh, yeah, the
Blessings.
Danish pastries. Yeah, the Danish pastries. I like them.
Yes.
And yeah, we used, I told you, we used to live there. So it's kind.
Okay.
We lived in Denmark 35 years ago.
Uh-huh.
So we are going to revisit our sabbatical in Denmark.
One of my
Okay.
friends told me that Danishes really come from Austria, but we couldn't figure out why they're called Danishes.
Yeah, it is from Austria. That's true. Why they call Danishes, I don't know. But the origin is Viennese. And in France, it's called I cannot pronounce it.
Viennoise.
Something that comes with Viennos or something like this. Yeah, I cannot pronounce it. So I cannot pronounce the Danish names. It killed me at the time. So
We should ask Raphael. He knows everything.
yeah, I know. But
He knows everything.
he already left because he has a group of his own following our group. So
yeah.
So
Tomorrow I'm going to a Chabad Milchadika lunch. What am I going to get?
All right, tell us, what do you, next week?
next week, tell us what you
Blintzes.
ate there. Yeah.
You'll have blintzes.
For lunch.
Okay, you will tell us next week.
And you know what else is good? The souffle we used to make with bread and cheese and egg over it. That's a good thing.
Blintzes, probably a lot of blintzes with sour cream.
Or milk gebost with sour cream, with smetana and potatoes, kartoffel.
Yeah.
Knishes?
Oh, cheese souffle we call it, but it's not. It's a bread, you know, like a bread pudding. That's a good dish, Barbara.
Yeah. All right.
Everything, it's like Sholem Aleichem says, everything Milchix is a good thing. It's good. Okay. Have a wonderful Yom Tov and see you next week, the same hour. Okay?
Okay. Thank
Thanks
you.
for everything. Bye.
Bye.